Hello, I am your guide to help you with repairs. Let's start first. We need a small screwdriver kit with many heads like the one I have here. We pick up the mouse and analyze it. It is defective. The buttons don't work and the motion sensor doesn't work. This is what he sounds like at the moment. Now we take the screwdriver and start the job. First, we look for a place where the first lid can be opened. But first of all, don't forget to remove the battery from the mouse. Now that the mouse is safe, you can continue your work. I open the first cover, and there are 3 small screws waiting for us. Why are you moving so slowly? Come on, hurry up. Come on, you move like a snail. You only have 3 screws. Oh, wow, you managed to open the second lid. Congratulations. Now look carefully at the mouse malfunction and try to fix it in your own style. After you're done, don't forget to put it back together like Lego pieces. Oh yeah, it seems you've taken the job seriously. Keep it up and the mouse will surely work perfectly. It looks very good and fits perfectly, but it seems like it's missing something. Be a little more careful. Oh yeah, a second mouse that doesn't work? That sounds exciting. Now that we've finished the job, it's time to put them back together. If you accidentally broke them, you can fix them with tape.
Oh.